3, 2, 1, start. Newspaper paragraph 35. The civil leadership and military top brass on Tuesday endorsed the decision made a day earlier during a meeting of corps commanders to invoke the Army Act and Official Secrets Act against people suspected of involvement in the May 9 riots, which damaged the state and private properties across Pakistan. Full stop. The National Security Committee, chaired by Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, also decided to lay hands within 72 hours on all those involved in violent attacks, their facilitators, and leaders on whose instigation these people had committed vandalism. Full stop. The proposed move to try arsonists against the Army Act has come under severe criticism, with rights groups asking the government to refrain from it. Full stop. International human rights group Amnesty International also expressed concerns. Full stop. New para. It said civilians must not be tried under military laws in Pakistan, as trying civilians in military courts is contrary to international law. Full stop. Black Day. The civilian leadership expressed solidarity with the armed forces and martyrs and decided to observe May 9 as Black Day. Full stop. During the top level huddle, it was also decided that all political forces should resolve their difference through dialogue and avoid confrontation. Full stop. An official announcement issued by the Prime Minister's office said the NSC endorsed the decision reached at the corps commanders meeting to try the attackers under the Army Act and Official Secrets Act. Full stop. The committee pledged that no leniency would be shown towards those who attacked defense installations under any agenda and vowed to bring them to justice. Full stop. New para. The official announcement said the meeting resolved to bring all the elements involved in May 9 riots and arsons to justice, as no discretion of security installation, public properties and national dignity would be tolerated. Full stop. The forum called for national unity and harmony amid a complex geostrategic situation caused by the global political confrontation as well as the enemy's policy of instability. Full stop. Social media rules. The meeting instructed for full implementation of social media rules and regulations to overcome the propaganda patronized by foreign elements through local facilitation, and penalize the perpetrators. Full stop. The demonstrators will be nabbed in 72 hours, said the Prime Minister at the NSC meeting. Full stop.